So for my polls, forms, and surveys, I decided to do a Google form. And I made this by just hitting a blank template because I didn't want to complicate things by using the worksheet or the business one. And I made this as a community leaders assessment for my kindergarten classroom, so we can fill this out either as a class together or as an individual assignment for like a unit ending test or something. And so here I have multiple choice questions, I have a long answer text question, and I have a question where they can have multiple answers. So I made this form by using the templates, and of course I shared them by hitting the send option, putting in a couple friends' emails, and inviting them to fill out the form. After I did that, I got a couple of responses, and here we can see that they filled out the first question with 100% accuracy, the second question with 100% accuracy. We have three different answers for the long answer choice because it's kind of an open-ended question. Different responses here had 100% accuracy, and of course this one person chose the wrong answer for this one, and we can see that here, but all the rest of the people chose the correct answer. So of course that's my Google form, that's how I shared it, and that's how I collected the data for that.